Well, Friday, not a lot happening. It's been raining. It's reasonably warm. Pond temperature dropped last night. Still suffering with the pain in my kidney. Not a lot I can do when I get the pain. My legs have started bleeding now. So I've got pains in my legs and difficulty walking. Pond's coming around quite well. I've been here this morning checking it all over. Again, I had sawdust or something on top of the pond, but I've got rid of that. And now the water's quite clear. Still struggling to get subscriptions. I want to try and get 1,000 before I'm 75 in November. So I hope anybody watching this will subscribe. My legs, if you didn't know about it, you've not seen one of my earlier videos, keep bleeding and I can't walk on them. I'll show you a quick picture now. Look away if you don't want to see it for the next few seconds. There we go. Constant pain and the bleeding from my feet. It's all the way around. There. It's the same on both feet. Yeah, the pain's terrible in your feet. You can't get rid of it. Medication you can take for it gives you headaches. You can take medication to get rid of the headaches, and it gives you pain somewhere else. So it's better just suffering, really. Anyway, let's go to the pond. Oh, there we are. The water's clearing up quite nice. A lot better than it was. The fish are all coming around looking for food. Like I say, the things I wanted to do today, I just couldn't do. Not because I didn't want to do them, it's just because I couldn't do it because of the pain I'm suffering at the moment. So it's a good thing I've got the pond, because I can come down here and sit and watch the fish, and it takes my mind off everything. I hope now that the pond will be spotless in the next couple of days, because it's improved quite a lot. A lot of fish are darting all over the place. I thought I only had about 2 of them, but I've found 6 in the pond. I don't know if you can see up there, there's 4 at the very top of the pond. There's 4 up there. So fish are doing quite well. So we'll have a look at the water quality inside of the filters and see what that's like. Filter quality water is okay. Some dirt on the top there, but it's doing quite well. Nothing to bother about there. The other one, the same basically. Some of the dirt's trapped on the top there, and the water's still going through nice and clean. I say I want to sort all these out this before the winter if I can. If you do the filters, find a better way of filtering the water, but I don't want to touch it too much, else I'm going to upset what the water's like now. But I think I'm going to alter the filter system. I'm going to have this at the moment here is the overflow, which goes on to the plants and feeds these plants, and you see how big these things have grown from the water off the filters. Obviously it's the nitrogen in the water that's feeding plants, and they're just going massive. My apple trees here as well, and the apples on there have been bigger this year than they've ever been. You can see them here, and the apple tree is absolutely full. It's covered in apples. So I want to move the bottom one, this one, that feeds the water in at the bottom. I'm going to feed that into the water at the top, so that all the dirty water is caught at the top, which will mean more work, because that means I'll have to clean this filter out probably once every couple of weeks. But it should improve the water quality. Now the problem is going to be for the bottom there. At the moment the water comes out the top there and goes into the next bin at the bottom. So this I'll have to take apart here, because I put them so they could come apart. So I'll take that, unscrew that, and drop this down to here and connect this pipe onto there, which is also 2-inch. So it should go on there without any problems, so that the water comes out the bottom, straight into the bottom, straight up into there, and into the final bin over there, and then back into the pond. I'm hoping that will really increase the quality of the water. But like I say, I can see all the way to the bottom of the pond now. There's no algae on the pond at all. So it has greatly improved. Okay, so if you can, or if you haven't already, please subscribe. And for those who have subscribed, thank you for subscribing. And I'll catch you in the next one, which I'll be going through the filtration of water and what I think is the best thing to put into your water. Now this is going to be a good one, because I've been using this for 7 months now, and I found it is fantastic for the water. So I'll be doing that one, and I'll probably put that up on Sunday. So keep a lookout for that one. Please subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Have a good weekend. Bye.